face, G11. Got rip tape, pre-cut with tuning, one flat face Rasta sticker, flat face Simon Says stickers, and a splatted color sticker, I guess. I don't know. Then the G11. I asked for a bottom dyed ply. Gave me orange on the top and a black on the bottom. It's pretty sweet. It's lacquered, pretty good. Kingpin holes, countersunk.
Everett, get out of my room! You ruined my unboxing video! Jeez, I hate you! Do your homework!
Alright, it's pretty nice. Maybe put like this flat face right there. Put for the grip tape. Might be a little SPF flat face.
Frost extra smooth, maybe.
Maybe put it on the bottom, Rasta deck, I guess. Or put the rip tape on the bottom. Make it even blacker. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, yeah, it's pretty cool. Black bottom, orange top.
Halloween!